In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Start Menu Search not working in Windows 11. First, we'll restart the Windows Search service. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog near the bottom left of the screen. In the Open field, type services.msc. Say it as one entry and enter it carefully, services.msc. Then click OK. The Services window will open. Now scroll down through the list until you find Windows Search. The services are arranged alphabetically, so Windows Search will be near the bottom. If you want to reach it faster, click any service in the list once, then start typing Windows Search until that entry becomes highlighted. When Windows Search is selected, right-click it. From the context menu, click Restart. Wait a few seconds while the service refreshes and the status returns to running. After that, test the Start Menu Search. Open Start and try typing something. If search works now, the issue is fixed. If it still does not work, continue to the next method. Next, we'll run the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. Press the Windows key plus R again to open Run. Type CMD in the field, just those 3 letters, CMD, and then press Enter. Command prompt will open. At this point, copy the command shown on screen, or pause and copy it from the pinned comment if that is where it is provided. Run the troubleshooter using that command. If the troubleshooter asks you to choose the problem you are having, check the option that says Can't start a search or see results. Then click Next. Let it scan for issues and apply fixes automatically. This usually takes about 10 to 20 seconds. Once the troubleshooter finishes, close that window. Then test the Start Menu Search again. Try opening Start and typing in the search bar. If results appear normally, you're done. If not, move on to rebuilding the search index. Press the Windows key plus R one more time. In the Run box, type Control. Just type Control into the Open field, then click OK. Control panel will open. Go to the top right corner and click View By. Change it to large icon so the settings are easier to access. Then click Indexing Options. In the Indexing Options window, click Advanced at the bottom. A new window will open. Under the Troubleshooting section, click Rebuild. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Click OK to confirm. At that point, the status will change to Indexing in Progress. This means Windows is rebuilding the entire search index in the background. It can take several minutes depending on how many files are on the computer, but you do not need to sit here and wait for it to finish. Close the window when you're done here, and restart your computer when convenient. After the restart, test the Start Menu Search again. If it still is not working, go to the Final Fix. Now we'll check for Windows updates. Press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down if needed and click Windows Update. Once that page opens, click Check for Updates near the top. Windows will search for available updates. If updates are found, click Download and Install All. Let the updates download and install. When that finishes, click Restart Now, or restart your PC manually if that option appears differently on your screen. This makes sure your system has the latest patches, including Microsoft fixes that can affect Start Menu search behavior. After the restart, open the Start menu and type in the search bar again. Search results should now appear normally, including apps, files, settings, and web results. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the full process to fix Start Menu Search not working in Windows 11 by restarting the Windows Search service, running the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter, rebuilding the search index, and installing the latest Windows updates.